Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're showing you items that came from a pretty severe water damage. So we wanted to talk with you about these items because a lot of times tragedy happens in your house, and then what do you do with your furniture? Please go to our site, Mumford Restoration, or to our YouTube channel and take a look at what you could have restored. So we have some very fine pieces here. This is a 4-drawer silver chest. And so you see how it has a ribbed top with what they call a gallery. It has drawers here as glove boxes on the top, and it also has a really beautiful crotch mahogany veneer. And so you can see that the water has done a pretty bad demonstration of swelling up the drawers and making the veneer kind of lifting, but we are going to be able to restore this, so definitely watch for the after on this piece. You can see here is this has how the finish was originally, with a very smooth and low sheen, and that part didn't get wet, but everything else was pretty well destroyed. So these are going to be completely restored, and we hope that she will be thrilled, and as we say, putting her life back to normal again once her furniture is back. That'll feel really good. Thanks for watching. This is a unique piece because it was severely water damaged. A lot of times folks will have inherited something that was a fine piece of furniture, and then some event happens. The pipes freeze, there's smoke, or there's water. Well, this had a ton of water. You'll see the before pictures. It had white streaks and milky, and the finish was in devastated shape. But then also it had to age, and so what we did was completely restore it. And this is a server. You can see that it has a top piece that pulls out so that you can put your silver set, and it has a support for it, and it has very nice sand-casted hardware, and it's flame mahogany. A little hard to see in the light we have right now, and 2 little boxes to store your candles and your votives, and it has what we call a small gallery to keep things from sliding off. So this is actually a fine piece of furniture, but in the before photos it looks like, well, is it worth it? It was definitely worth it. This is a great result. I think that our customer will be thrilled. In fact, we get a lot of hugs and a lot of tears of joy over the things that we deliver, and that's what keeps us motivated. We are passionate about restoring, so keep watching. Thank you.